You said, "I'll never let my comrades die." Those were your words. Now, look around you and try to say them again. I said try to say those words again! As the bodies of your comrades grow cold in your arms, take in their deaths! This will just keep happening. And all of your flippant words and ideals will become lies. This is the end result of ideals and hope. This is reality. The shinobi system, the village, shinobi themselves, they created these circumstances. What caused me to despair is this world itself, this counterfeit world.